Hey everybody, I am unboxing the Magfast Lux cable. Just came today in the mail. Got this on a promotional thing on Facebook from Magfast. Had to watch a pre-recorded presentation, and you get to the end of it, gets you the link, and you can get a cable for I think like $7 shipping. If you want a USB-C to Lightning, you got to pay an extra $5, I think it was. So $12 for this cable, and it's supposed to be very luxurious. Let's see. I've already cut the film. Let's open this thing up. It does have nice packaging. Maybe the box is a little too tight. Just a tad. Just a tad too tight. Comes apart nicely. There's our literature. Claim your complimentary USB-A adapter. No thanks, I'm not going to use that. There's the manual. Nice print. Yes, all that. Free adapter. Some other things they sell for charging. And activate your lifetime warranty now before use. Okay, so you might want to get on that. Let's check out the cable. Here it is, nice gold plated ends. Let's take it out. Not sure that was really necessary, but okay. More waste of plastic. Tabs are glued together. That's not something you typically see from like Anker, the other premium, or Apple, the other premium manufacturers. They would never use glue here. It would just be designed to stay closed without glue. All right, so that's sticky, but we got it free. And here it is. Check out those ends. Limited edition. It feels almost identical in feel to the Anker cables. I think they're called the Anker Flow. Yeah, the Anker Flow. I've got several of those. It's got a little bit, you can feel kind of a spiral inside the jacket. As far as bendability, it's pretty much the same. And they give you a little cable wrap made out of similar silicone, not as silky smooth. But you can loop this around and hook your cable to keep it closed. I definitely don't take the time to do that with my cables. But yeah, pretty good feeling cable here. You know, the promo deal was pretty good, but I think they were asking for like $35-40 for one of these cables, regular retail. Like you could add cables to your order, and the more you got, the more discount you got, but I think the base price was like something like $39. I guess time will tell, but I don't know. I don't see this being any better than the Anker, and that one's, you can get that one for around $23, the Anker Flow. The Anker doesn't have the gold-plated connector there, but I'm not sure if that really makes too big of a difference. The pins inside are gold plated too. I'm not sure if you can see that with the light, but the power pins are plated. Or at least it looks like it. And then the lightning end is just silver. So, all right, we'll try it out, and I'm sure it works out of the box. If it doesn't, you'll definitely know about it in the description of the video. But hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing video of the Magfast Lux cable from from the Facebook promo. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, here's some little addition to my video about the Magfast Lux cable, and I'm going to compare it directly to the Anker Flow, or the Anker 643, I believe is the number for it. This cable here, which really, this almost seems like a knockoff of, I mean, maybe there's some better technology used in the construction, but other than the gold plated connector there versus the silver or whatever they're using on the Anker cable, which I've had zero problems with. And this is a 100-watt cable, by the way, 6 foot. You can get it for anywhere from $16 to $22, depends on what the sale is. Right now I think it's $16 for the black one. And honestly, the Anker one looks better to me. I like the shape of the connector. I like the copper metal accent on the end that keeps the plug end kind of secure there, or at least you'd think it would. Maybe the Anker's not better structurally than the Magfast, but I guess time will tell. We'll see how they both hold up. But honestly, the Magfast Lux almost seems kind of like a knockoff, and they're trying to portray it as some new fancy technology. Maybe the connectors are a little better. Yeah, I'm not really sure. It does seem like it has more pin. The Magfast Lux seems to have more pins in the connector on that end, but maybe that's because it's a lightning cord. I'm not sure what the difference is there. But same exact silicone, soft, silky silicone feel, same exact. And then the plug, actually, I think the one on the Anker is made out of a slightly more supple material. So probably better strain relief there at the connector. Whereas Magfast, slightly harder. So you can see that how it kind of bunches up when you do that. Versus this Anker cable, which I've been using for a month or two, and I haven't really been treating it that well. But anyways, this is obviously USB-C to USB-C, but I also have their USB-C to Lightning, and they're the same thing as far as quality goes. So I would definitely not pay full price for a Magfast Lux. Absolutely not. $39. I'll take two of the Anker Flow, or 643 cables, as I think they now call them, for the price of one of these, and I'll bet I'll end up in better shape at the end of their lives as far as them lasting long enough. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.